So again, our problem reads, Wyatt has 149 rocks in his collection. How many rocks do Wyatt and his sister have in all? You're writing an answer sentence. Ethan, what am I counting in this problem? I am counting rocks. So if you don't have blank rocks in your answer sentence, you don't have an answer sentence. Because we are counting rocks. Grace, what's your answer sentence for this problem?
Wyatt and his sister had 34.
I like it. If you have something similar, that's fine. You don't need to announce to me what you have. Wyatt and his sister have blank rocks. I like it. As long as you have something similar, that works. What is the next thing that I need to do? Miranda, what's next?
Some kind of bar model.
I need some kind of bar model happening. Annabella, what does that W stand for? It stands for the whole, aka the total. Autumn, do I know the total amount of rocks? No, I don't. I don't know the total amount of rocks. I know Wyatt. I know his sister has more. But I don't know how much they have in all. I need to figure out Wyatt and his sister to figure out my total. My part and my part. Emma?
But first you have to do 149 plus 30.
Hang on to that thought. Let's stick Wyatt's in first. Scarlett, how many rocks does Wyatt have? I have 149 rocks for Wyatt. Cool, 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 cool. His sister has 34, right?
No. She has 34 more.
She has 34 more rocks.
Oh.
Not, she has 34 rocks. So wait, do I actually know how many rocks she has?
No.
Gavin, do I know? Does the problem tell me how many rocks she has?
No, but I added it.
We're going to do some adding. What am I going to add to figure out how many rocks his sister has? Adria, what would I add together?
You're going to add 34 to 149.
Yeah, I know that he had 149. That's our starting point. And we're going to add on 34 to get how many rocks his sister has. So out to the side, let's go ahead and add these two together. I'm going to use expanded form. 100 plus 40 plus 9, 149. Annabelle, you got that written down? And then I'm going to use expanded form for 34. Be very careful. Does 34 have anything in the hundreds? No. So I'm going to start building my number underneath my tens. Give me a few seconds to make sure your expanded form is built correctly. Could I use a number line and do those jumps like we did last time? Yeah, I could. 34 is not a big number. I could do that. But this is going to go by a little fast. Adria, question, or are you ready to move on?
I'm ready to move.
Alright, so let's start with what? What am I going to add first? Because I got some hundreds going on, I got some tens going on, I got some ones going on. Azalea, where am I going to start?
Well, you don't want to start with the 10 because it's the same number.
Not gonna start with the 10s. I like that.
You kind of need to start with the ones. Well, you can't start with the 10s. By the 10s, I got 70. Then I moved on to the ones. Then I got 15. Then I got the 10, I bought the 10, put in the 10s places. Then I got 80. Then 10, the 1,
Yep.
the 3.
Love it.
Hit the ending ones place.
Good.
That's how you do it.
That will totally work. To make it easier, we're just gonna say we're gonna start where, Emma?
And the 1.
In the 1. Just in case we need to make a trade, it makes it a little smoother. Alright, so I have 9 1s plus 4 1s. Add on and tell me how many 1s that is. Add on. Annabella, I should see you adding on. We're doing 9 plus 4. You're starting at 9. What'd you get, Miranda? What is it? 13. Is 13 enough to make a trade? Autumn. Yes, it is. How many do I need to trade? It's going to be a Wi-Fi issue if the sound keeps going in and out. Ones do I need to make a trade? I need 10 ones. Can you say that again? You still need 10 10s, but that makes 100. Yep. Alright, so I have 13 total. And Autumn told me I'm going to trade 10 of them. So I'm going to stick 10 over in my 10s. But I had 13. Annabella, where's that leftover 3 going to go? Where's that leftover 3 going to go? Gavin, tell Annabella, where's that leftover 3 going to go?
The leftover 3 is going to go into the 1s.
Annabella, where's the leftover 3 going to go? Not on top of 1, no. Miranda, tell Annabella where the 3 is going to go. Annabella, where's the 3 going to go? In my 1's place. Right here. It doesn't get traded. It's left over. Alright, let's get over to my 10s. 10 plus 40 plus 30. If you have trouble, skip count by 10s. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I did 40 plus 30. What's another 10? Ethan, what did we get?
We got 80.
80.
100.
Wait, Ethan, can I make a trade with 80?
No.
No.
You need 190.
No, I don't need a
No,
90.
you need 100.
I need 100 or more. Yep. So 80 is good to go. Just gets left over.
Or you need 10.
That's 10 10s, which is 100. Yep, same value. Brinley, what do I do now?
You add the hundreds to the hundreds to the numbers, which is only 100 because the hundreds.
Yeah, I have nothing here. So 100 plus nothing is still 100. Yeah, I'm just going to bring it straight down. 100 plus 80 plus 3. Annabella, put that back in standard form for me.
184.
Oh, they have 183 rocks.
No. No.
Wait. What did I just figure out? What math was that? What was I doing? Why isn't that the answer? Grace?
Because we found the answer to how many lots the stars.
we only figured out how many rocks his sister has. So now we can put that number here. But that's not his sister and Wyatt. That was just his sister. What equation do I need now to figure out how much both of them have? Go for it, Annabella.
149 plus 180.
Perfect. Yep. 149. Whoops. Plus 183.
But don't we need that in the expanded form?
I'm going to put it in expanded form, yes, because that's a strategy that works for me. So I have 100 plus 40 plus 9, 100 plus 80 plus 3. Got my expanded form set up. I'll give you a few seconds to get yours set up. Remember to take very careful care to make sure your ones are lined up, your tens are lined up, and your hundreds are lined up. These spots are very special, and we need to make sure the number's in the right spot. 9 plus 3 is 12. Is that enough to make a trade? Yes, but I only trade 10. I love that. Yes, but I'm only trading 10. I'm going to stick 10 over in my tens place. Eliana told me it was 12, so those left over 2, back in the ones. They're not going anywhere.
Miss Miller?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to make a trade before you add the 10 into the 10 space because 4 plus 8.
We're not there yet. Chill out. We're getting there. All right, so now we're in the tens place. I have 80 plus 40 plus 10. 80. I'm going to skip count by 10. 90, 100, 110, 120. That's 40. Plus 10 more.
50, 140.
Is that right? Let's do 50. 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. So all three of these 10s added up gave me 130. Is that enough to make a trade, Emma?
Yes.
Yes.
So you're going to take a 10.
I'm going to take the 100 because I have 130. And 100 is going over here. But the 30 is going to stay. It's not tradable.
It's like it's stuck in a cage.
Kind of.
That's
Alright, Arwen. Can you do my 100?
100 plus 100 plus 100 equals 300.
Is that enough to make a trade?
No.
No. Still just 300.
700 more.
You need 700 more to make a trade. Very good.
Yes.
Very good. Ethan, can you put that back in standard form for me?
To put it back in standard form, you would have to have 330 and go 330 tens into 1.
What number is that?
332.
332. Is that my hope?
Yes.
Yes. So to think about our answer, Wyatt and his sister have blank rocks. I got a lot of numbers to choose from. Which number is it? How many rocks do they have? I got a lot of numbers up there. Which one do I know is going to be how many rocks Wyatt and his sister have? Autumn?
332.
It's 332. Because remember, this was Wyatt. And then we had to do that math to figure out sister. And then we gotta add them together to figure out both. So it is 332 rocks. It's the whole. It's the total. Yep. Alright, we good so far?
Yep.
Alright, so what we're going to do now